Coinbase will be the first cryptocurrency exchange to go public. So is Coinbase a good buy for us? Hi buddy, in this video, you will discover number 1, how Coinbase makes money as a business. And number 2, is Coinbase business profitable in the first place? And number 3, the potential risk of investing in Coinbase. And number 4, is Coinbase listing a good buy for you? So how Coinbase makes money as a business? Based on financial report, Coinbase primarily generate revenue through transaction fees. They mainly provide a crypto asset matching service when customers buy, sell, or even convert crypto assets on the platform. And this type of business are very similar to how stock brokerages makes money as well. Let's look at the revenue breakdown of Coinbase. Based on financial report, Coinbase have 3 revenue segments, namely transaction revenue, subscription and service revenue, followed by other revenue. Based on percentage wise, transaction revenue represents 86% of total Coinbase revenue, followed by other revenue 11%, and lastly, subscription and service revenue, which is only 3%. Okay. From this observation, we understand that Coinbase business rely heavily on the trading volume of cryptocurrency. If the trading volume decreases, the transaction fees will decrease. If the trading volume increases, the transaction revenue will definitely increase as well. Let's zoom in into transaction revenue, since it is the major revenue for Coinbase. In transaction revenue, 95% of it comes from retail, and yet only 5% comes from institutional. Interesting. In the year of 2019, Coinbase is making a loss of 30 over million. And in 2020, Coinbase is making a profit of 300 over million. Wow. Based on statistics, Coinbase users has been increasing consistently over the past 3 years. Amazing. Since we only have the past 2 years financial data of Coinbase, let's look at the quarterly statement as well so that we can understand more about Coinbase. This is the total revenue for the past 8 quarters of Coinbase, and this is the net income or losses for the past 8 quarters. And based on the chart, we can see that Coinbase revenue and income are not consistent, and it is only increasing significantly during the last 1 year, which is 2020, when the Bitcoin prices rise tremendously. This shows that Coinbase business performance are directly correlated to the Bitcoin prices. When Bitcoin prices drop, the business performance drops. When Bitcoin prices rises, the business performance rise as well. What? And this is something you have to take note of. So what are the potential risks of investing into Coinbase? Number 1, Coinbase business and financial position are highly dependent on the value of crypto assets. Research shows that when crypto market capitalization increases, the asset on Coinbase platform also increases. Vice versa, when crypto market capitalization decreases, asset on Coinbase platform also decreases. So you can see that the cryptocurrency market value are highly tied with the Coinbase business performance. Secondly, the Coinbase business are highly dependent on the volume of transactions, as we know that majority of the revenue come from transaction fees. Thirdly, the majority of Coinbase revenue are related to the demand of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Damn! As you can see, more than 80% of assets on Coinbase platform are mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum. Fourth, cybersecurity risk. Coinbase mentioned, once cyber attacks and security breaches of our platform or those impacting our customers or third parties could adversely impact our brand and business. I still remember a few years back, there is one cryptocurrency exchange which is being hacked. Millions of dollars are lost, and clients' money and cryptocurrency are lost in the thin air. Fifth, the management of Coinbase mentioned that their business are highly regulated. They mentioned we are subject to an extensive and highly evolving regulatory landscape, and any adverse changes to or our failure to comply with any law and regulations could adversely affect our business. 6. Do take note that Coinbase is in a highly competitive industry. We have to understand that there are more than 20 cryptocurrency exchanges in the whole world. As a customer of cryptocurrency exchanges, we are happy because we are able to compare fees, customer services, and features. However, if we are Coinbase shareholder, this may not be a good thing. Lastly, is Coinbase stock a good buy for us? Do take note that Coinbase will be the first major cryptocurrency company to go public. However, Coinbase is not doing a traditional IPO. It is going public through a direct listing method, which means current owners of Coinbase stock will convert their existing shares to make them available for public trading. And based on this CNBC article, it is confirmed that its Coinbase direct listing is set to be on 14 April 2021, and the ticker symbol is COIN, coin. So what is direct listing compared with traditional IPO? In direct listing, employees and investors sell their existing stock to the public instead of company offering new ones. And the goal of direct listing is definitely not focused on raising additional capital. Based on my opinion, the cryptocurrency market and economy is growing, and Coinbase is in this sunrise industry. Secondly, Coinbase is the top 5 cryptocurrency exchange in the world as of now, so it is in a great position. However, Coinbase business are highly regulated, and this is something we have to take note of. Next, Coinbase is in this competitive industry which is going through this ongoing price war, very similar to stock brokerage industry. And this is definitely good for customers but not really good for shareholders. Next, the business performance is highly tied to the value of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And in my opinion, it doesn't make sense, because if you love Bitcoin so much, you might as well invest in Bitcoin itself instead of Coinbase stock. Of course, this is based on my opinion. Anyway, do comment down below to share with me as well whether you will be buying Coinbase stock and why is that so. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you benefit from this sharing. Do watch this video right now to find out the exact price to buy Apple stocks. I'll see you there.